Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Hompavo upgraded LED flame light bulbs, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because more realistic flame effect. After continuous experiments, our LED flame effect light bulb will render as wobbly as a real flame, building a more live scene. And the flickering light bulb installs just simply screw into a socket. It's great for use in lanterns, light posts, or salt lamp. Decor for holiday party. Ideal choice for Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's, party decoration. The fire light bulbs could create relaxed and romantic atmosphere, making it great for both residential and commercial locations like living rooms, dining rooms, restaurants, churches, gardens, nightclubs, hotels, and bars. 4 lighting modes. Our LED light bulbs set flickering flame mode, breathing mode, general light mode and built-in upside-down mode. This flame light bulb can automatically switches the flame direction by repeating the operation of on-off switch to change different effect. Extend 40% lifespan. More than 40% servicing life than the market. Hompavo LED light bulb has been designed with heat dissipation parts, which can better cool the temperature and extend the service life of the bulb. This energy-efficient flame light bulb uses only 3 watts while emitting 600 lumens of warm flame-like light. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.